Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of AB where a square minus b square is equal to 35 and a minus b is equal to 5. Consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now from 1 we have a square minus b square, this is 35, or a square minus b square, we can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So applying this formula, a plus b times a minus b is equal to 35. Or from equation 2, a minus b is equal to 5. So substituting this here, we can write a plus b times a minus b is 5. So 5 is equal to right side 35. Now divided both side by 5, we will get the value of a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 35 divided by 5 is 7. Consider this as equation number 3. Now we have to find the value of AB. We know AB is equal to a plus b over 2 and whole square minus a minus b over 2 whole square. This is the formula of AB. And now substituting a plus b and a minus b from equation 3 and equation 2. In equation 3, a plus b is equal to 7. So this value is 7. We can write 7 over 2 and this square. Minus a minus b. We have a minus b is equal to 5 from equation 2. So 5 over 2 and this square is equal to 7 square, this is 49, over 2 square, this is 4, minus 5 square, this is 25, over this 2 square is 4. So simplifying this 4 and 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 49 is 49, minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 25 is 25, is equal to 49 minus 25, this is 24 over this 4, and 24 divided by 4, this is 6, and this is the value of AB. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.